Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make interactive reel on Instagram. So Instagram just released a new update where you can make reels that contains other reels, so people will click on them and go and see other reels of yours or any other reel. So it is very easy. First of all, you will need an application called Edits. So basically this application available on the App Store and Play Market. This is the video editor for Instagram. You need to download it. The step 2 is to simply go to the Instagram and find the reel that you would like to add to your reel. So it can be your reel or any other reel. I will use the reel from Clash of Clans. So you will need to copy the link for this reel. Simply click on the share button and click on copy link. As you can see, the link is copied, or you can choose the reel that actually contains video. So for example, this one, copy link. Now you will need to close the Instagram and go to the edits. As we are on our edits, we need to click on the big plus sign in the bottom right corner to start creating our new reel. Here we will need to choose gallery. And of course, you will need to have your reel or just simply photo that you would like to use as a background. So I will choose this photo as a template. So this will be my background, and click on the top right corner on the tick button. So now, as you can see, my photo is loaded and I can add reels to this photo. So to do it, you'll need to simply click on the links button in the bottom side of the screen, as you can see, and choose here reels. So as you can see, you can add your saved reels. So because my edits account is connected to my main account on the Instagram, I have my saved reels here and I can add them. Or I can add my reels here. I don't have my reels, so I don't see them. I can search for reels here, or I can simply paste the link here. So we already copied the link, so I'll just simply paste it. As you can see, it recognized the reel, and we will need to simply now click on the tick in the top right corner. And here it is, our reel appeared in the workspace, and now we can resize it and move to any corner that we would like it to be. So, and you can add as many reels as you want. As you can see, you can decrease the duration of this reel on the screen or increase it, it doesn't matter. Add some effects, or just simply, if you are ready, click on the export button in the top right corner. So now our video is exported, and we will need to click on the Instagram right here in the bottom left corner. It automatically creates a new reel with this video. And now all we have to do is to simply add caption, tag people if we want, add location, etc. And if everything satisfies you, you will need to simply click on the share button in the bottom right corner, and your interactive reel is done. And that is basically it. That is how you can make interactive reel on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.